What's the meaning of confluence? Confluence. Confluence.
Confluence. Confluence. Confluence refers to the point at which two or more things come together to create a single, unified outcome. This can be seen in the merging of rivers, where two separate bodies of water converge into one larger stream. In a metaphorical sense, confluence can refer to the coming together of ideas or influences to form something new and complex. The result of a confluence may be a blend of the original elements, or it may be a completely new entity that could not have existed without their combination.